Wow, the all-new AA Prisma Swing Away Heat Press. But there is some assembly required. How are we doing, YouTube? It's Estevan here with All American Print Supply with another fun and informative video. In today's episode, we're gonna be going over operation, assembly, and some exciting new accessories for this awesome heat press machine. For detailed instructions and the operator's manual, you can head over to the website, aaprintsupplyco.com, or click the link in the description below. You guys ready? So how easy is this no tools required assembly? Let's take a look at it. Now to connect our control box to our heat press machine, we're going to be using these 4 fast screw twip knob bolts to fix the control box onto the frame. After the control box is securely attached, it is now time to connect our 5-phase aviation plug underneath the box. After this has been securely fastened, you want to lock this down using this fastening washer here to make sure things are nice and tight. After that, let's go ahead and connect our 2-phase aviation plug. And you'll notice there's a little notch on the bottom. That's going to refer to the bottom part of the attachment point. Also nice and secure and tight. Make sure we fasten this part down here. After that, we can go ahead and connect our US standard 120 volt electrical plug right here also on the back of the control box. Now we've gone ahead and connected our power supply to our heat press, let's go ahead and take a look at this on-off button. It's going to be right in the front of the control box, right below our display gauge. Now today, we've connected our heat press to a 20 amp grounded circuit. For best performance of your heat press machine, it is not advised to connect to anything below a 15 amp grounded circuit. Now while we are proud to offer the entire AA Prisma line of heat presses in industry standard 16x20 sizing, we do offer a variety of other Platen sizes to accommodate all of your different jobs. Let's take a look at these sizes here. Up front, we got the 15x15, I got a 12x16, an 11x15, we got the 8x10, the 6x10, an awesome long sleeve 6x20 that I kind of want to show you guys how that works, and a little 4x4 right there. All fully compatible with the full range of AA Prisma heat presses. All right, now we talked about that long sleeve lower attachment Platen option. Let's take a look at this here. This is gonna be ideal, I'd say, for long sleeves, pant legs, really anything that's gonna fit on a 6-inch wide, 20-inch long surface. Now let's go ahead and show you how easy this is to install and use. We're gonna come on over here to the heat press. We're gonna swing this away about 90 degrees. Now, underneath this 16x20 Platen that comes with this included lower Platen protector to keep the area clean and make loading and unloading even faster, there's a lever that's in the up position. All we're gonna do is bring that back. Now this can safely and securely be removed. We'll set this aside. Now, as far as installing our new Platen, there's gonna be a mounting point in the shape of a plus sign. On the base of the heat press, there's gonna be an attachment point also in that plus sign shape. We're just gonna go ahead and line this up here, lock it in, bring that lever that we brought to the back position nice and forward. Now it's nice and secure. So with this new dimension size, I can go ahead and load in, like we said, long sleeves, pant legs, anything that's gonna fit on this 6x20 press area, even contact. Let's take a look at how we operate the press. Super easy, there's only 3 buttons. First, to set our temperature, we're gonna go ahead and press the set button here. And then now using our down or up arrows, we can enter the amount of heat that we wish the press to start to warm to. After we've entered the amount of temperature we wish the heat press to warm to, we can lock that in by pressing set. And now we can enter our timer in seconds using those same down or up arrows. After you've entered the amount of time that you wish to apply your heat press for, you're going to lock that setting in by pressing set again. Here, you'll see a real-time display of the current temperature of the heat press as it starts to warm to the temperature we've already entered. The pressure knob for your heat press is going to be located right in the center of the machine and can be adjusted by turning clockwise to increase our pressure or counterclockwise for less pressure. Now, a couple things we do need to mention for safest and best operation of your new heat press. Failure to follow the instructions as we've outlined can result in erratic behavior of your machine, inaccurate displays on your gauge board, or slow heat up, as well as damage to your circuit breaker. So please follow the instructions. Wow, what a heat press. Loaded with features and functionality. Man, if you guys made it this far in the video, if you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button, drop a thumbs up, hit that notification bell. If there's any questions or comments, leave those in the section below. My name is Estevan, we're All American Print Supply. See you on the next one.